Mrs. Amy Triptylin has been diagnosed with cellulitis and has been prescribed vancomycin at a 750 mg dose to be given through IV infusion. Vancomycin comes in a 1 gram vial, with each vial displacing 0.36 milliliters. The pharmacist has been asked to reconstitute this vial by adding 2 milliliters of distilled water to the vial. How many milliliters of reconstituted solution will be administered to the patient? Give your answer to 2 decimal places. At this point, you can stop the video and attempt the question yourself. Once you are done, click play and we'll go through the answer. Please pause the video now. So what was the answer then? The answer is 1.77 milliliters, and we're going to go through how we got there. So, Mrs. Amy Triptylin, and yes, that's a real name, has been diagnosed with cellulitis, prescribed vancomycin as a 750 milligram dose. Okay, so we know we need to give Mrs. Triptylin 750 milligrams, but the vial only comes in a 1 gram dose, with each vial displacing 0.36 milliliters. So, just before we start, remember if we have a vial and that is 1 gram, we're not going to take out 3/4 of the powder. We're going to make up the whole vial and then only give 3/4 of what has been made up. So we always give the whole vial and then we give less to give that 750 milligram dose. We never take out some of the powder. So this 1 gram vial, it displaces 0.36 mils. So 1 gram equals effectively 0.36 milliliters. The pharmacist has been asked to reconstitute this vial by adding 2 mils. So you're literally just adding 2 milliliters of distilled water to this 1 gram. Meaning that, well, if this is 0.36 milliliters and you've added 2 milliliters of water, the whole thing is 2.36 milliliters. Okay? So in this 2.36 milliliters, and remember we've added it because it says adding 2 milliliters, in this whole reconstituted solution, we still have a 1 gram dose. 1 grams, in other words, 1,000 milligrams. How much are we expected to give the patient? Well, we've been asked to give 750 milligrams. So what we would do is only give 3/4 of the solution to give that 750 milligrams. So 2.36 times by 3/4 is 1.77 in 2 decimal places. And that gives us the final answer. If you found this useful, feel free to reach out to revisepharma.com for more examples.